Injalo bafowethu bathi awungapheli kuyahlola dabula amanzi inyanga muni inyanga ukuthi kodwa inyanga ukuthi twisisa sihlezi khona lana sivale nje into yethu inyanga muni foundation bafowethu ikhona iyaphila siyabonga nje kakhulu no Bra KB ngesupport ngaso sonke isikhathi masimbiza siyi-WTV ashiye umsebenzi wakhe eze azolalela ukuthi uprof ucela ukuthatshela abantu ngoloku naloku sesivala nje sivala ngaye uBrachali ngoba ngasho ngathi bafowethu ngikhathela abantu abalambayo noma abantu abayenza izinto ziphinde zicake kunento enye Bra KB ngifuna ukuyi-explainela abantu ngoCharlie sengivala Bra KB uCharlie ngiyazi vela abaningi banokufuna Bra KB this and this that and that no ngifuna ukukusho namhlanje Bra KB uCharlie is different and in ukhumbula mangikhuluma nawe ngithi Bra KB uCharlie ula for 2 months ngakhohlwa mina ukuthi no it's not for 2 months and noku-understand umuntu ukuthi the 2 months esikhuluma ngayo entweni oyithathayo ngichazana ilimaza abantu abaningi leyo abanye abana understanding but mina ngokuthi ngiye esikolweni ngizitshela ukuthi lo muntu mangikhuluma naye uyangi-understand ukuthi lento mase iconnectile iyenza so and so and then iyocala bese iyenzani iyasebenza and uCharlie bekaqala manje January so abantu bayeza 2 3 5 babo bafika bamthatha and then the 2 3 4 5 ababamthatha khuluma nje abafiki na ku7 abathatha uCharlie so kule 7 I'm sure i4 engasetshenzelwanga noma engalunganga ngoba 4 yabo bajabulile kunomunye ubaba waseBush is happy 100% uCharlie uyamgidela athi professor hey why bungayakho kudala lento so ngifuna ukusho ukuthi uCharlie uyasebenza ngisibanga sokuthi kufuna kuphela iconnection and uCharlie don't count ukuthi ongiyeka prof ngeyi1 which means kufuna ngimbuyisele ngeyi1 zaka May we understand count amalanga la uyenza into lezo kuphuza noCharlie noma zokuphuzisa uCharlie aze athi khiqi mathi khiqi uyaqala uyakhicisa and enye into eshaya abantu ngifuna ukubatshela namhlanje ngoCharlie ungafika uCharlie ngifuna imali yokwenzani ngoba uma ulokuthi ngifuna imali aka understand naye ukuthi lo muntu ukhuluma ngayo but uma ungameshina ngifuna imali yokuthenga imoto ngifuna imali yokuthenga indlu you understand ngifuna imali yokuqala ibusiness ngifuna imali yokwenza lokhu nalokhu uCharlie uzokwazi uku-accommodate lento leyo not ukuthi hey ngifuna imali angathathi 10 rand ayibekela uzothi uCharlie akasebenzi
I think sorry ungena guys for especially my one-on-ones that I coach they know when I coach them ukuthi you have to be specific if you have a target we are bega lapho okay this is what I need for you guys know uma sessions to ama sit downs we have a session where we talk about imali specific next week I'm going to buy this day I need that so it's specific. That's what I always tell people. You must be specific and purposeful so that it knows where it goes, what it's supposed to do. Even unkulunkulu, you can't say, Allah, please help me do what? So when I mean, he needs to know how to help you and what to help you with. But anyway, sorry, but I think I needed to highlight that.
Yeah.
All right, Professor.
Yes. So injalo, into nento, ifuna ukwazi ukuthi ngifuna ngizeleni la. Ngizoyenzani la ekwenzeni kwami into le yonke lento le you can't expect asithi ufuna imali yokuthenga imoto ifunayo is 2 million and expect ukuthi nge1 day le 2 million le ibe khona cha be specific ngifuna into eso then mawufuna into eso lento iyabuka ukuthi ngiyothatha phi lo muntu angifuna kona ithi ngifune indzawo mase ibonile ukuthi oh na umgodo wediamond la ngiyadleka idiamond ngikhani lento izothi ke ibuye nayo ukwazi ukuyothenga leyo moto 2 million but if ever uthathe lento le ayikatholi lento lokuthi okay lento nomuntu angirequesta yona ngiyoyithatha ifuna vele ihamba ifune Bra KB mase itholile ibuye ishaya ithi ka uphinde umangale na ukuthi hayikhona benga expectanga this much what happened you understand and then izinto ziyabuya ziyacaca
Okay. Question, yakugcina. Some people are asking, ukuthi, hey man, December we had other priorities. Is it possible ukuthi Prof extended Charlie until June? Ukuthi at least ngabo February, March, nathi sikhona ukungena sithola uCharlie.
Charlie Brakb ngizom-extenda vele.
Okay.
Ngizom-extenda until further notice. Nisho ukuthi no uphelela nini uCharlie uyaqhubeka nomchala akaqhubeki.
Okay.
But into ukuthi emnandi nakusasa mawufuna uzomthola. Ngizosho ukuthi when times go ukuthi no uCharlie ubaphethe njani abantu, but so far ngezinto zokubheka uCharlie uyasebenza.
All right. Siyabonga, Prof.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Lastly, I don't do coaching for
Charlie, yes,
at
yes,
all.
yes,
I do coaching for everything else except Charlie, except the casket.
Yes.
And then sizokhuluma ngamaboys amasha kuZoho TV.
Yes.
But yeah, Prof, thanks for hosting me.
Thank you, sir. Salam alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. It's your channel.
Injalo bafowethu ngizama lesisho
Hlekisa ngayo.
sakhona ngalena shalom salam ya kona lokho Brakb nabi angihleka mara songibambile nami ngizozibamba lenkulumo yakhe salam.
Yenze ngezulu ukuthula kube nawo.
Oh ukuthula makube nani. Alright. Oh ilantisho njalo.
Yeah,
okay, so alright. Ukuthula makube nani bafowethu emakhaya. Ngithanda ukundlula yonke into bafowethu. Nginifisela konke okunhle. Till next time we meet no Brakb CPC njengoba shilo 2025 definitely sure kuyoba kunje from next week. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga, Prof. See you guys in the next segment.